Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can fix the error code cannot sign into Xbox Live. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing I recommend you guys doing is heading over to, or you're first going to click on the Xbox logo on your controller. You're going to go all the way down to Profile and System and sign out. So I recommend signing out and then signing back in to check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method I recommend you guys doing is heading over to Settings. From Settings, you can go to Accounts, and then you want to remove your account. So you go ahead and just remove your account, and then you add it back in. You can also check to see if that fixes the issue as well. If that does not fix the issue, the third method I recommend you guys doing is heading over to Network Settings, heading down to Advanced Settings. I mean, before you do this, you can choose to restart your router as well. And if you don't know how to do that, all you have to do is simply just take out the wires out of the back of the router. You wait 1 to 2 minutes and then you replug them. But I do recommend, if you want to do that, make sure your console is either turned off, or if it's not turned off, once you do that, make sure you just turn it off. But anyways, once you do that and you turn your console back on, go over to Network, go over to Advanced Settings. From Advanced Settings, you're going to choose the primary and secondary DNS options, and you're going to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Now once you go ahead and do that, you should be all good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.